Selling call options on Robinhood can be a lucrative strategy for investors, but it requires a solid understanding of the process and the risks involved. To start, you need to have a Robinhood account and be approved for options trading. First, you need to understand what a call option is. A call option gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy a stock at a specified price, known as the strike price, before a certain date, known as the expiration date. When you sell a call option, you are obligated to sell the underlying stock at the strike price if the buyer chooses to exercise the option. To sell a call option on Robinhood, navigate to the options trading section of the app or website. Select the stock you want to sell a call option for and choose the sell option. Then, select the specific call option you want to sell, taking into account the strike price and expiration date. The next step is to set the price at which you want to sell the call option, also known as the premium. This is the amount you will receive for selling the option. Be mindful that the price you set must be competitive with current market prices. Once you have set the price, confirm the trade and the call option will be sold. You will receive the premium, and you will be obligated to sell the underlying stock at the strike price if the buyer exercises the option. It is essential to have a clear understanding of the risks involved when selling call options. If the stock price increases significantly, you may be obligated to sell the stock at the lower strike price, potentially missing out on significant gains. Additionally, if you do not own the underlying stock, you may be required to purchase it at the current market price to fulfill the obligation, which could result in substantial losses. To mitigate these risks, it is crucial to have a solid trading plan in place, including setting clear profit targets and stop-loss levels. It is also essential to stay up to date with market news and trends to make informed decisions. Selling call options on Robinhood can be a profitable strategy, but it is not suitable for all investors. It requires a deep understanding of the options market and the risks involved. By following these steps and being mindful of the potential risks, you can effectively sell call options on Robinhood and potentially generate significant returns.